Suffering from ear problems? Here you go. In this video we are going to share you top 5 best ear cleaner products that will make you stay happy with cleaned ears. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Elephant Ear Washer Bottle System by Dr. Easy. This irrigation system is ideal because it offers a simplistic mechanism involving a spray bottle with 3 disposable tips. It doesn't have a lot of extra bells, whistles, and complicated parts that make earwax removal intimidating. Some systems have the ball syringe to suck out the remaining fluid and wax, but this one doesn't, which means it can be considered safer than other products that are supposed to be inserted into the ear. In fact, ball syringe options fall in the category of things Dr. Mahizadeh thinks may be dangerous to insert in your ear. Number 2. DBrox Earwax Removal Aid, 0.5-ounce Earwax Removal Drops. This popular and affordable alternative to a pricey doctor's visit can help loosen the toughest earwax. The active ingredient is the doctor-recommended carbamide peroxide, and users can expect a foaming, cracking, fizzing sound and feeling when they try it. This simply means it's working well and should not be alarming. The formula claims to be non-irritating, and it's one of the easiest use processes for earwax removal. Number 3. Earwax MD for Kids, Earwax Removal Kit. Dr. Mahizadeh says the only way parents should be trying to clean earwax out of their kids' ears without a medical professional is with an irrigation system such as this one. The small bottle and miniature tip make this a more manageable option for a young child, as opposed to the adult irrigators. Parents can simply have a child lay down, with a towel handy, and slowly fill the ear canal 1 drop at a time, then set a 15-minute timer and wait. Afterward, you can use the bulb to rinse the ear or allow it to drain naturally. Number 4. Squip NeilMed Kyrosol All-Natural Earwax Removal Aid. This earwax removal kit has all the tools necessary to ensure that the process is completed correctly. Using patented technology, the all-natural ear drops soften earwax for effective removal. The kit includes an ear washing syringe, earplugs, glycerin drops, storage sleeve and detailed instructions. The kit requires that the user lies down for at least 30 minutes for the solution to be effective. The kit includes ear washer, storage sleeve, 2 earplugs, 1 15 ml per 0.5 ounces. Bottle of all natural glycerin ear drops and instructions. Number 5. DBrox Earwax Removal Kit. DBrox Earwax Removal Kit includes a soft rubber bulb syringe to rinse your ear after using DBrox Earwax Removal Drops. Excessive earwax buildup can lead to ear discomfort and reduced hearing, which can affect your day-to-day life. DBrox Earwax Removal Drops are an in-home solution. DBrox's gentle, non-irritating microfoam cleansing action goes to work to soften and loosen earwax. When drops are placed in the ear, oxygen is released. This release allows DBrox to foam on contact as it gently softens and loosens earwax.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.